Hi there students, so this is a website where you can download a shape of a body, a silhouette, so you can start designing your, your gowns or whatever wearable items you're gonna be using to display your objects that you're creating in Blender. So basically you're gonna download the BlenderKit, click on it, and it's gonna give you two folders. It's gonna be the download, yeah, it's gonna be kit. We want that kit, so you're basically gonna click and then drag into Blender, and it's gonna ask you to install from disk. So you're gonna press OK. From here you're gonna see this bar coming up here. We're gonna delete this and we're gonna go back into the website and we're going to the model. This is the preferred shape for the silhouette that I'm looking for you guys to use. So what we're gonna do here, it tells you, explaining how to add it into Blender. So we're just gonna copy this search term, copying it, and then we're gonna go back in here and we're gonna Command V to paste it and enter. At this point, if you want to click in here, you could save it on your asset library here in Blender, but that will only require you to log in back into the website BlenderKit where you downloaded this. But meantime, we can just click and drag and it's gonna give us the lady. Make sure you're always saving your work and saving this lady. For now, it's giving you this kind of pose that we do not want. So we're gonna select the lines and we're gonna press X and delete, and it's gonna give us the final lady. Yeah, at this point we want this lady to be bigger. Yeah, so we're gonna go in here and we're gonna give her some, yeah, we're gonna scale her, that way you guys can work better. And make sure you save your lady, so make sure you go save as and save her. So right now I already did this one, so I'm just saving another volume of it. That way you can always have this lady if you're not saving it on your assets, but I do recommend you saving it on your assets, that way you always have her here. Yeah, this is just for this, you're not allowed to use anything else from here. After this, I will recommend you turn off the enabling, yeah, if you're saving already this lady, because you'll have access to other things that we're going to be using later on through the semester after week 6.